Hey guys, it's Matthew Gilliland with Cape Fear Customs. Behind me I have a 2026 Ram 2500 Rebel. This is a newer package from Ram. Super excited to do this build. We've been working with Jeff Shepard of Ultra Color in Castlehane. Gentleman runs his own body shop, knows a lot about vehicles, been in the car game in the Wilmington area for quite a long time, and we are super excited to do his project here. Mason, tell us a little bit about this kit.
So we've got a 3-inch AEV lift kit here. We paired that with the Bilstein 8100 XB shocks. Going to make this truck ride very nice and very smooth. Couple that with the Toyo Open Country RT Pros here, 37 by 1250 inch tires, going on the AEV Salta wheels here. It's also getting new steering knuckle to accommodate for the drag link flip that it'll be getting for a new high steering to make this truck handle as it did before we did anything to it. I believe it's getting a couple other modifications as well.
Yeah, as you can see, he's already installed a RSI smart cap with a Sherpa rack. He's got a bed slide in the back. And then after it leaves us, him and his crew are going to be installing a HD front and rear bumper from AEV that's going to accommodate a Warren 16.5 winch, as well as AEV's large lights and Baja Designs lights in the rear. So this is really going to be a one-of-a-kind truck. We're very excited to get going on it. Let's quit talking about it and let's get to it.
Certain these are going to require welding.
Fall. Okay.
That goes like that.
That's what I like.
Have one mold.
Finger. Okay. Bump stops tight. Disconnect. I used to.
Put it on.
Shocks. Something about my knife.
Woo! All right, guys, as you can see, that's a wrap on a truly one-of-a-kind build. I absolutely love this truck. He's done all kinds of the right accessories on it. It did the AEV 3-inch lift, 37-inch Toyo tires with the Salta wheels and the trim rings, the lower intercooler guard, bumpers, 7000 series lights, RSI smart cap with the bins, the slide system. I mean, this thing has it all. So I appreciate you stopping in and checking us out. Give us a like, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or stop by the shop, 6121 Market Street.